Happy New Year, guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Loveths, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys a very easy way to do feed-in braids at home despite my infamous McDonald's hairline. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair that is dry. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of my As I Am dry and itchy scalp care leave-in conditioner, and trust me, if you have dandruff, this right here will be your best friend, okay? Next, I'm going to part my hair in the middle with this white tooth comb that I've had for over 8 years, and also apply some shine and jam to make my parts neater, as you can see. Meanwhile, if your hairline is like mine, please comment M followed by a crown and heart emoji in the comment section, you know, just so we can know ourselves, okay? Next, I'm going to make a couple of horizontal sections on each side of my hair, and you can actually just do a free 2-strand twist on each section just to keep the hair out of the way. Or you can use the rubber band like so if your hair is short like mine. So now that I'm done sectioning my hair, I'm going to go ahead with my shine and jam to make my parts super neat and make sure that each section is neatly secured with rubber bands like so. However, with the first section, I'm not going to go ahead and tie that down with a rubber band, okay? Like that's where we're going to be starting our braids, and you want the front or the beginning of your braids to look as natural as possible, okay? After securing the hair with rubber bands, I twisted each section just to make sure that the hair doesn't come in the way while I'm attaching my braid extension. So now it's time for the fun part, which is the crochet part. For this hairstyle, I'm going to use half pack of expression braiding hair in color 1. This particular pack of expression braiding hair comes with 2 pieces per pack, so I literally just took out 1 piece, divided that into 2, went ahead to like feather out the tips, and you know, just use like 1/2 per section of my head. To crochet the hair, you want to open and slide your crochet hook underneath the hair like so. Place the braid extension in the hook and close the latch. Next, you want to pull the hair to the other side and remove the hair from the crochet needle. Place your finger in the loop and pull out the hair while holding on to one side of the hair on the other side, and that's it. For the sections at the back, I'm going to crochet in bigger pieces of hair, and as I move towards the front, I'm going to reduce the size of my extensions. So for the sections towards the front, I added about 2 to 3 smaller pieces instead of 1 big piece like I did at the back, you know, just to give the hair that natural progression when I start braiding. Meanwhile, if you've made it this far and you still haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, please, this is 2024. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, okay? Now to braid the hair, I'm going to start by feeding in smaller pieces of the braid extension like so as I go, and just keep braiding until I get to the end. I actually learned this method of doing feeding braids from a video I saw. I think it was an Instagram reel or a YouTube short where this particular person showed how to do feeding braids like what I'm doing at the front. I really don't know how to explain, but I hope this is clear enough, okay? The braiding hair that I used was literally $2 at my local beauty supply store. Plus, I love the fact that this hairstyle gave me a different look entirely. I tend to run away from hairstyles like this because of my hairline, but after doing this, I was like, you know, it's not that bad, okay? It's really not that bad. This era right here for me, like braiding down the hair, was the most challenging era because I kept going back and forth, you know, trying to grab my hair alongside the braid extension. Plus of all this, my lighting went off because I had technical issues. However, I was determined to make it work, and I did. If there's any hairstyle you have in mind that you'd like me to film for you guys, please go ahead and leave that in the comment section down below. I'm gonna be in the comment section reading and responding to all of you guys' comments. So at this point, I was just looking at my hairline, and guys, to be honest, I almost had a panic attack. For those of you who have, like, you know, well-defined hairlines, like, you don't know what God has done for you. So I went ahead and laid down my edges with my Gorilla Snot Gel and a brand new toothbrush, you know, just trying to cover up my widow's peak as much as I can. While that was setting, I went ahead and applied my Cream of Nature styling mousse and tied it down with a do-rag. Also trimmed off all the flyaways I could see, placed the ends of my hair in hot water for a couple of seconds, let the air dry, and voila, my hair was done. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon, aka your notifications. Also give this tutorial a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Till then, bye guys. Mwah!